Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you some succulents I ordered on the internet for my spring quarantine garden on balcony. Accordingly to the current exchange rate, I bought every cactus for only 56 cents and every succulent for 93 cents. I bought them from a person from the east of my country. The parcel came in 2 days. It contains 3 liters of soil and 9 plants. The total cost of the soil is $1.21. Let's talk about plants. This is my first time when I order plants on the internet. Before I bought them in large markets or from people living in my city. Therefore I had to meet them and I could see in what condition the plants were. Here you can see the list of the plants. The order corresponds to that which is in the video. I'm going to make updates when they will grow up a bit, especially for adenium plant. I guess it will become much thicker to the end of summer, and next spring it will bloom. Here you can see soil composition. Frankly speaking, I do not know why the seller added so much organic components. For my other plants, I use soil mixed with peat, sand and perlite if it is a fast-growing plant as crassulas, and mineral substrate with a small amount of peat if it is a slow-growing plant as a cacti or Haworthia. So I would like to use this mix with the fast-growing plants, but the seller claimed that this mix fits for cacti too. The seller also claimed that Cryptomeria of red ives is crested, but in fact it's not. Here you can see the photos he has attached and here you can see what I have. However, it doesn't matter either it crested or not, because every succulent plant costs the same price, so it is okay for me. Also he said that adenium is 2 years old, although plants I saw on the internet were much bigger at this age. Tell me in the comments what do you think. And now you can see photos of these plants potted into pottery pots. How to pot succulents you can see in my future videos. I have recorded them, but I have not yet edited them. I use handmade pots of plastic food packages. Why do I use them? Because it's cheap and kind of recycling. There are many advantages using plastic pots, and I am going to record a video about different pots for home gardens. I think it is better to use recycled plastic pots than buy the same plastic pots but new ones.